Want to keep mobile visitors coming back for more? Start with curiosity-driven headlines that make them pause and think. Mobile users scroll fast, so your content needs to hook them instantly. A well-crafted question taps into emotions, challenges assumptions, and creates a sense of urgency that's hard to ignore. Instead of just sharing information, ask questions that highlight real problems or goals your audience faces. This makes your content feel personal and relevant, building trust right from the start. Open-ended questions work especially well, leaving something unfinished and pushing users to keep reading for answers. Challenge what your audience thinks they know to stand out from the usual headlines. Hint at hidden opportunities or knowledge gaps to spark curiosity and keep readers engaged. When your questions focus on specific outcomes or benefits, users feel their time is well spent. Use these strategies to boost retention and turn casual visitors into loyal readers.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.